Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy. Welcome to another edition of Paradise Property Previews. Today we're here at another development here in Sector K in Huatulco. This is 7 condos that are coming out of the ground right now. Only one of them is sold, and that is the ground floor unit. The rest of them are still available. It's a mix of studios and 2-bedroom units, and the price point is really enticing. So if you'd like to know more information about that, please hit me up now at info@paradiseguy.com. I'll give you the latest availability and the latest pricing, because as you know, in developments like this, prices tend to go up the more units that sell. So now's the time to check this out. Let's take a look around. Okay, so why do I like Sector K? I like Sector K because it's really centralized. It's easy to get down to Playa Chahue. It's easy to get up to Sector U2. It's easy to get, well, just about anywhere in town. You can get over to Santa Cruz in no time at all. You can walk to the grocery store, or you can take a cab very easily, or you can drive if you have a car, or scooter, or bicycle, or whatever you use for transportation. Point is, really easy to get from here to wherever you want to go. Well, there it is. Construction going on, coming out of the ground, nice looking place. You can see that the architecture of it is well laid out. They're using every bit of space very efficiently so that you can have the maximum quality of lifestyle when you're staying and or living here. So this development is referred to as Raíces Condos and Studios. So it's a pretty simple name, pretty easy to remember. And if you'd like to have me send you out a brochure on this, if you'd like to get on a call and talk about the opportunities to negotiate your best deal, or if you'd like the opportunity to come over and see the project in person when you're here in town, you got to hit me up now, info@paradiseguy.com. Let's head into the unit on the ground floor that is already sold. You can see here, this is the main living area. You got the kitchen over here to the right. The laundry is straight ahead, and we're going to walk over towards the main entry. Here's a shot of the bedroom, and you can see as we are looking in from the outside, you can see how large the window is. You saw the closet space. This is bedroom number 2, another huge window, closet space, and of course room for television and air conditioning. Heading back over into the first bedroom, you can get a view of that window from the interior of the building. Quite large, nice view. And as you look around, you're going to see the closet space there at the back of the room. And here on the far wall, you'll see room for the AC up above and the television down below. If you want to see any of these properties, please hit me up at any time at info@paradiseguy.com. Let's head out into the main living area. Here you can see where the kitchen is going to be. There's the laundry room on the left. And the main living area is right out there, where there'll be a large sliding glass door and of course your outdoor living space. Inside the laundry, you can see there's natural light. Of course, you got your washer dryer hookups and probably room for a wash basin as well. Here's the shower, large shower, good sized bathroom. So one good sign you look for in a development is that there's actually workers on site working. Well, we showed up here today, it's later in the day, and they're still up there working. And every day I come by this project, I'm seeing more and more progress. So very confident that this is going to get done. It's going to get done in a timely manner, and that they're going to deliver a good product at a very, very enticing price. So if you'd like more information on that, please hit me up at info@paradisesky.com. I'll send it right out to you. Okay, so now let's get a feel for what this place is going to look like when it's all finished. Here you can see what kind of finishes you'll be looking at. Nice colors, good contrast, well furnished. You can see the stove, the oven, sink, vent hood. You've got a refrigerator right over here. Of course, the outdoor veranda. And look back at the living room here. How would you decorate your place? This, of course, is a studio that we're looking at here because there's the bed. Nice livable space and a great rental. High season is upon us and people are flooding into the market. Lots of inquiries about properties. People are buying properties right and left. So if you're interested in a property here in Huatulco, please hit me up anytime at info@paradisesky.com. And also be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for our channel here at paradisesky.tv. We want to make sure that you're well advised in a timely manner so you can make the best decision for you. Another thing I really like about this project, besides its location and its proximity to everything, and the fact that it's actually being built and coming out of the ground relatively fast, I really like the fact that this has great rental potential, especially these studios. You think about that, it's going to be a really, really nice studio with a veranda, and it's going to have great rental performance. And the reason for that is because look where it's located. It's located right in the heart of where everybody wants to be. So I have no doubt that if you bought this as an investment, not only would it perform well as a rental cash flow unit, but it was also perform well as far as equity appreciation. If you look around the neighborhood, you'll notice that lots of other construction is going on, lots of improvements of area buildings and structures around that, and that's a good sign. You want to always be early into an area that is continuing to improve itself, and that is Sector K. If you're curious what this is going to look like from the outside, well, here's a couple shots of the renderings of the final product. Nice looking building. This will really add a new dimension to the neighborhood, and everything around it is already starting to improve. Okay, everybody, hey, that concludes our Paradise Property Preview video for today here on paradisesky.tv. Thank you so much for watching all these. Really, it makes my job easier because people then can see They can like, they can inquire, and they can buy what they want, and they can do it fast. These videos are meant to be comprehensive and helpful to assure that you have all the information you need to make a quick and effective decision for you and your family. So with that, my name is William Narod. As always, I am the Paradise Guy. We'll see you on the next episode. Cheers, amigos.